Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by cutting power and removing the unit carefully. Safety prevents shocks. Once off, remove the front panel and foam filter so you can see the evaporator fan and motor. Use a flashlight and soft brush to clear dust. Dust causes imbalance and noise. Make sure to note loose screws, bent fins, and any wobble in the fan blade. These are common early causes of noise and will guide the next, targeted steps. Once done with the panel, remove the grill and unbolt the fan assembly. Label screws so reassembly is painless. You want to clean blades and examine for chips or bends. A bent blade causes vibration and rhythmic ticking. If bearings are noisy, lubricate with a few drops of motor oil. If the motor uses sealed bearings, consider motor replacement. Make sure to check mounting brackets for rust or play. Tighten or replace fasteners to reassemble carefully, ensuring gaskets and seals sit flush. Then restore power and run the unit through each fan speed. This verifies fixes and reveals residual noise. If a thump or buzz remains, isolate source by holding a rubber pad against casing. If noise changes, it's mounting. If not, the compressor or motor likely needs replacement. Make sure to use a wooden dowel to safely test suspected blade contact points. This prevents finger.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.